Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is my brand new Bugatti 3D model on Blender with HDRI background and some improvements. Textures are very good and better. Oh wait, this one, so I'll fix this. Okay, as you can see, there's a lot of improvements in this video than before. The bridge too, also the background. As you can see, this is more realistic, and you can see the breakdown. If I click these things, viewport, and in the layout it's more bigger, you can see. And then some lights, effects, and other effects and cool things. So this is Eevee, and the render engine was Eevee. The viewport was 15 and render was 200. And this is if you see in the camera. Then I try to render the image. Okay, let's wait so that's longer. And yes, it is one image rendered with Eevee. As you can see, there's some many more things, and I will show you in cycles. Okay, cycles is better, but it's longer and makes the CPU and GPU more work harder, so I prefer Eevee for rendering awkward. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like.